Whoa. It food. Antelope, lamb, goat, and bunny. Fun fact. It can howl. Where it lives, I don't really know. I didn't fill out all the which they live in. I don't know. I don't know where they live.
We'll talk about the states. California, Utah, Wyoming. Talk about the states where Caitlin Kinsey lives in Idaho.
It looks like
What animal group does it belong to?
Fact has 42 teeth.
Mm-hmm. 3 facts.
I know. That's 1, that's 2. Fact. The North American gray wolf. The gray wolf population in the 16 was 2 million. Today, in North America, the cat is approximately 65,000. The world population is approximately 105,000.
105,000?
Mm-hmm.
Is that it?
No.
What else?
Group it belongs to a carnivore.
Carnivore?
Yeah.
Good. Anything else?
And a wolf pack may contain 2 or 3 animals, or it may be 10 times as big.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is that everything?
Yeah.
Do ta-da? Ta-da?
Ta-da!
No, don't break it.
I'm gonna do it again.
Okay, go.